$250. Linear rails, which can fail because the bearings, it actually has a rail. But it has a good power supply. Solid, stable torque. Except this hot end looks a bazillion times better than any FDM printer I've ever bought that came stock with it. Extruder, little Pursua type tracking thing. It's a really neat. It pushes the air on the side and the front. It's neat. And another fan that blows the possibility of snagging on PTF tubing or melting PTF tubing inside your hot end. So that eliminates a lot of failed print problems. As long as this thing prints and doesn't catch on fire when I plug it in, then this is easily the best 3D printer, FDM printer, for the price. Point blank period. Alright, well, here's the whole assembly from box to printer. Done. The drill-in holes. 3 holes. Secures it. Control box is probably fastened to the bed underneath it in an unattainable place with a bunch of screws, and it's really complicated to get to, right? Nope. Done. Ooh. So it's going to go all the way up too. Interesting. Oh, it's aligning itself. What the fuck? So it's acting like my printer has a gantry leveling. What the fuck?